Yes, you're welcome. We are going to continue from where we stopped. We have talked about the DOM, Document Object Model, the DOM. We've talked about it, and now we are going to start targeting some elements, okay, and using and making our web page interactive, okay. Very good. So how are we going to start? We are going to create a paragraph. Let's just create a paragraph text. We create a paragraph text within a body tag. You know, this is a body tag, okay? Yeah, here we're going to create a paragraph text. P, that's a paragraph element, then paragraph tag, then we're going to give it ID of, let's say, ID of first paragraph, okay. Sorry, I have to put this ID in quotes, okay, because it's an attribute, okay. Then you close it. Then let me put let's just say something here. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake here. Double quote, not single. Okay, then I will type in, let's say, this is our first okay, this is JavaScript. Anything at all. Just type in anything at all, okay? Okay, then you close your paragraph. Perfect. You've created, you see, I created a paragraph, and within this paragraph tag, I added an attribute. That's ID attribute. Then I give it the name and the ID first paragraph. Then this is the text, the content of the paragraph. Then I close the paragraph here. Hope you get it. Okay, that's the first step. Then second one, I'm going to add a button. In that button, I'm going to put a on-click function. Then just say on-click. I will explain this for you. Then here I will put a function name. Let's just say format, something like this. Okay, then you close it. Then you submit. Then close the button. This is how you can create a button in HTML. Okay, just type in button element like HTML. Just type in button, then you close the button. So whatever that is within the button, like this, submit, it will just be on a button. It will appear as a button. Okay. So having created this, let's just view it so that you see how it is. Before we view it, let me explain this. This button, and this on click, and this is a function. And this function here, when you click the button, this function will be executed. That is what it means, on click. That is, whenever you click on this button, this function will be executed. Okay, but you know that we've not actually created a function. We are going to create a function in JavaScript. But let's first and foremost view what we've done so far. Let's see how it is, okay? So I will, let me make sure that JavaScript is not, I'm not executing anything. Let me not execute anything, please. Okay, let me go back here. I will run it, launch in Chrome. So you see, this is our JavaScript, and this is for the button. Okay, this JavaScript and this button. Okay, when I click on this button, nothing will happen. You see that? Nothing will happen. But we want something to happen, so we have to go to JavaScript and build a function that will make something to happen. Okay, having seen what we created, we are going to quickly go to JavaScript and create a function. Okay, This is JavaScript now. Good. Here I'm going to delete all these things, leave it blank as it is now. Then I will type in function. I'll call it format. Okay, we've created a function in HTML here, remember, and we'll call it format. So that's that is the function we're going to create now. Okay, this is the function. So we have to come here now. Sorry, we have to come to JavaScript. Then we create formats function. Okay, then you open and close a parenthesis, curly bracket. Then you open it. Then inside this curly bracket, open and close. Inside it, you create a variable, text variable, call it text. Then the first thing we're going to do right now within this format function is that we are going to first and foremost call or rather target the particular element attribute we want to format. Okay, we want to target an attribute of the text we want to format. Are you getting me? And if you go to HTML, you see that here we have a text, and this is the text we want to format, and this text has ID attribute, first paragraph, and that is what we want to target right now. So let's target it quickly. To do that, you have to say document dot get element by ID, element by ID. Then inside the paragraph you put the you put the ID, the name of the ID, which is first underscore paragraph. Okay, let me go there. First underscore paragraph. Make sure you don't make mistakes in spelling. Any mistake, it will not work. Okay, so spell correctly, please. Good. So having done this, you're almost there. Okay, but you have to do one more thing. Now you've been able to target correctly the paragraph. You are now telling JavaScript that it should target a paragraph that has an ID first paragraph. Okay, then the next thing now is that you have to choose what you want to do to that targeted paragraph. Okay, and we want to style it. When I mean style, we want to probably change the color, italicize, or give it a background color or anything else, just like in CSS. Okay, now we have to call style property here. We put dot style, then we want to give it color, then dot color, okay, equals to, let me just say red. Let me give you a color red. Please don't be confused. Okay, now look at what we just did. We used this get element by ID method, okay, and targeted an ID of first paragraph, okay, which is in this HTML page, that paragraph we just typed. Then after targeting it, we got it. Then we ask we call style property, and we want to color that paragraph red. You know, when inside the style property, there are so many styles, just like in CSS. You have background color, you have color, you have so many styles. Okay, so you decide about the one you want to call. Okay, here I say dot. Before you call, you have to use dot. Okay, color equals to red. Okay, so what I did now is I want the text to be colored red. You get that? Okay, having done this, let's run it. Let's see what we get. You save, then you go to HTML page, go to run, then you click on launch in Chrome. Then when I click on this, you see what will happen? Good. So when I click on it, it's changed to red. Okay, let's quickly look at what we did again. Look at what we did. We first of all created a paragraph text. Okay, then we assign ID first paragraph to it. Okay, then we created a button, and in this button we will insert this format for the onClick function. So when we click this button, this function will be executed. Okay, very good. So this attribute, when you we assign this function to it, so that when we click on this button, wherever this function is, it will be executed. Remember that the JavaScript is standalone, it's independent, but it is linked to this page, so that whatever we're doing in JavaScript is going to affect this page. Do you get that? Very good. That is why when we clicked on this button, it immediately colored the paragraph red because of what we specified here. Okay, we come here now, we created our function and we targeted the paragraph by ID. Okay, we use the ID name of that paragraph to target it. Okay, then we give it a color red. You get that? So that is one way to do this. That is a way to target an element or an attribute and format it the way you want it to be. Thank you so much.